lap.
With a total score of 823, Patrick Eusebio.
Sabi yung video ko na.
Tuloy-tuloy lang. And focus lang, focus. USBC monthly finals. Okay, let's go. Hello kayo sa vlog. Yan, laban na kami dito sa USBC.
USBC voters, we would like to welcome
Meron pa rin tayo special prizes for the state number 150. Again, this is
Ayaw na muna. Oo. Dab. Full. Yeah.
So anyway, full na yung isang phone namin. Dito ko na patatapusin yung vlog dito sa United Southern Bowlers Club. Monthly finals po, USBC. Thank you for watching. Airdrop na lang natin to. Medyo nakabawi ako sa last frame ko. Ang split na lang ako ng 7 and 9 train. So 187 first game. So let's see, balikan natin kung makaka-podium tayo. Bahala na, so focus lang.
Focus ka lang.
Sayang naman, ubus na yung ano,
Gusto mo chocolate?
memory.
Sarap yung chocolate.
Ay, kain tayong chocolate. Thank you kay Ate Tess.
And kay Kuya Yul.
And kay Yul. Galing Japan. Chocolate, thank you.
Naka-video lang.
With a total score of 823, Patrick Eusebio.
Sabi yung video ko na.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Congrats, Tito.
Okay.
Group picture po.
Second runner up. Pwede na. Thank you Lord, thank you Lord. Tuloy-tuloy lang. And focus lang, focus.